First full day in Madrid, and we are heading out to explore. We're heading to the Parco Retiro. I hope I'm saying this right. We are heading out on a tapas and history tour.
It was built in the mid-1600s. Bombed during our Civil War.
Rebuilt.
Yeah, rebuilt. Yeah. Did you know that our dictator, Franco, he allowed Hitler to use his Air Force as target practice? It was target practice for Hitler's Air Force before the Second World War. So a lot of our buildings were destroyed and then later rebuilt. My grandmother used to go to this church a lot. 40 years it turned last year. And down you see the red neon. That's the second oldest chocolate and churros cafe, open 24 hours. Right behind me, since 1860, this tavern has been making codfish croquettes. Now, why codfish? Did you know Madrid has the second biggest seafood market in the world? The first biggest is in Tokyo. We have no river, and we've been supplying Madrid by land for centuries. And Madrileños love seafood. We don't eat a lot of red meat. Our diet is pork, seafood, and veggies. And this is an institution for codfish croquette.
Saludos.
So you can have wine if you want, but the beers here, they're very fluffy. It's a simple lager, but very fluffy and creamy. We're gonna have some ham, some chorizos, and cheese. Shall we?
place. Want to get some more? They know how to get it.
I'd like you to get a picture of that board.
How is it?
In the day, these apartments all belong to the high nobility of Madrid. You see the windows up on the roof? That's where the servants lived. 1725. It has a gift certificate here to prove it. Pretty cool, eh? Now this restaurant, this is a model of what it looks like today, is known for its suckling pig. Nobility could afford to sacrifice a 3-week-old pig, whereas peasants and other people would wait for the pig to grow and then chop it up for protein. No? Now, you familiar with Ernest Hemingway? Yeah? This is his favorite restaurant in Madrid. He loved suckling pig before going to the bullfights. This is an institution.
Wow.
And we're privileged is that I'm the only tour guide that can give you access to the oven. As I told Luis, the manager, that my Spanish grandfather used to eat here once a month with his military buddies. And that's why I said you're going to come in.
Small portion for me.
You guys are going to sleep like babies.
This will help you sleep.
This will put you to sleep. You have to toast. Salud.
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 Thanks for your patience with me.
Enjoy the rest of your vacations here.
That's right, yeah.
Yes.